I'm gonna send you right on back.
Send you back.
That is where you belong. What I said, you done got up in the city, mama. You done started treating me wrong. Your mama and your daddy told me not to bring you from the south. I brought you to the city when you was a child. Now the bright lights are driving you out. I'm gonna send you right back to Georgia. You don't even know I think. When I first met you, baby, you can read or write your name. Listen, let me suck it to you one time, mama. We